going on, guys? Welcome to my channel, Motivational Marketer. My name is Benjamin, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing. Now before I get into it, I just want to say, if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So I'm not going to be talking about the basics of affiliate marketing or how affiliate marketing works. What I'm going to be talking about is 3 tips that you're going to want to implement in order to be successful with affiliate marketing. Now the first tip that I have for you guys is to think about the long term. You're going to need a genuine passion about what you're promoting. If you're here just to make a quick dollar, chances are you're not really going to be too successful. You really need to have a basic passion of helping people in whatever niche you're promoting. You just need to have a genuine passion that you want to help people. So that's my first tip to you guys, is think about the long term. So for my second tip to you guys is building a brand. Now why is building a brand so important? Because when you establish a successful brand, people are going to recognize that. They're going to connect with that. Especially if you're building a brand that relates to basic human emotional needs. So think about this. There's 3 basic human emotional needs that we all have. One is health. And if you're promoting the health niche, you're going to be very successful if you're thinking about the long term. So people are constantly looking to improve their physical health as well as their mental health. And if you can service people in this niche, you're going to be very successful. The second human basic emotional need is wealth. There's people who are always trying to make more money. Nowadays you can't go on the internet without seeing some kind of ad that says, are you tired of your job, looking to make more money, make $3,000 in a weekend or in a day, whatever the case may be. The reason why is because people are always looking to make more money. Now the third basic human emotional need is love and connection. People are always looking for a sense of belonging, some kind of human connection with someone else. They're always looking for love. And if you're promoting this niche, you're going to be in business if you're thinking about the long term and you're constantly giving value to your customers. So that's the second tip I have for you guys, is building a brand. And like I said earlier, you're going to want to give value to your customers. So that's the third tip that I have for you guys when it comes to making money and being successful with affiliate marketing. You're going to want to constantly give your target audience value. The reason why you have to give them consistent value is because when you do that, you're building up trust with your target audience. People have more of a connection with you when you're giving them value. And they're going to want to buy into your product or your service when you're giving them value. And you can always sell them a product on the back end. So I'm going to give you guys a quick example when it comes to addressing someone's problem when you're dealing with affiliate marketing. So say this is your target audience. This is the current state that they're in. This is the state that they want to be in. So say for example, if you're in the health niche and your target audience, your target customer is overweight, this is their current state, being overweight. And they're trying to get to this state right here, which is healthy, lean, fit, whatever you want to call it. So you have to figure out, how can you get them from this state to this state? You have to make a bridge. You have to build a bridge for them to get from here to here. So how do you do that? Well, you do that by giving them value, by offering them a free product, whether it's an ebook, a landing page, whatever. But I'm gonna go over that further in detail in another video. But I just want you guys to think about that. What kind of value do you provide to your target customer in order for them to buy into your product or your service? I mean, that's pretty much all that I have for you guys today, and I hope you guys got some kind of value out of this video. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and like I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe, because I'm gonna have a lot more content coming out in the future. And if you guys are interested in getting started with affiliate marketing, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below, and you guys can check out how to make a full-time income online. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.